Welcome to my review of TimeCamp. In this video, I'll be showing you how TimeCamp works, its key features, and whether it lives up to the hype. TimeCamp is a comprehensive time tracking tool designed for both individuals and teams. It aims to help you track your time more effectively, whether you're working on a personal project, managing a team, or billing clients for your time. The website itself is easy to navigate. As soon as you sign up, you'll find a clean and user-friendly dashboard. Right off the bat, TimeCamp allows you to set up different projects and tasks, and it automatically tracks your time based on those inputs. You can start tracking time manually or with the automatic timer, which is one of the features I appreciate. TimeCamp integrates with many popular apps like Slack, Trello, and Asana, so if you're already using those, it'll be a breeze to sync everything and have a unified experience. The tool also offers reporting features that allow you to generate detailed reports based on your track time. This is especially useful for freelancers who need to bill clients based on hours worked or businesses that want to monitor team productivity. What stands out about TimeCamp is the ability to monitor team activity. You can assign tasks to specific team members and track their time in real time. There's also a timesheet feature that gives you a clear overview of all logged hours, making it easy to analyze performance and productivity. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Another useful feature is the invoicing tool, which helps you create invoices based on the hours worked, making it an all-in-one solution for freelancers and businesses. The pricing plans are reasonable, with options for small teams and larger enterprises alike. TimeCamp also offers a free plan with basic features, which is great if you just need simple time tracking. In conclusion, TimeCamp offers a solid suite of tools for both time tracking and project management. It's intuitive, integrates well with other apps, and can save you a lot of time when it comes to billing and productivity analysis. If you're looking for a reliable time tracking solution, I definitely recommend giving it a try. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful, and make sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.